Good morning and welcome to Scottsdale. Today Steve and I are on our way to the MIM Museum, the Musical Instruments Museum. It's supposed to be very interactive with a chance to try different musical instruments and learn a lot about it. So come with us today. On one of our trips to Africa, I sincerely toyed with the idea of buying one of these drums. Nothing this size, of course. These are from Vanuatu. So the carved faces represent ancestral spirits. We bought our tickets online, which they recommend. They're trying to stagger the entrance. It was $20 US a person. And as I've heard, you could spend the entire day here. And this is included, automatically starts by itself when you're in front of a display. And let us begin. Man, never knew there were so many kinds of electric guitars. We have been so lucky to see items like a dongchen in Tibet. A surbahar, plucked lute, an escalator between floors.
It's amazing, isn't it?
What's really interesting, if you just start looking back at some of so many videos. Thumb piano. Just here in both Senegal and Gambia before COVID, pre-COVID. You can watch Steve dancing with the people. Ankle rattles. Love this belt rattle from Bahrain. Goat hooves. Now you know what to do with your goat hooves. If you have an abundance of them, you make a belt rattle. That is a beauty from Iran. Bagpipe in northeastern Turkey. For me, this is like a pantheon of, oh my gosh, we were here. Oh my gosh, we were there. Yes, we listened to that. Yes, they played that for us. Oh, that's when there was a shaman, etc. So many places like Kyrgyzstan, where I do have photos on my www.travelswithsheila.com website. But those are my pre-video days. If I had the energy, I should go through all of my videos, take out the music portions, stick them in one big one. Mongolia.
Hey, she, look at the outfit.
Gongs from Cambodia. And some of these small dots are found on the dake bamboo lion dance costume. These are heavier than you know what. From Indonesia, the gamelans. Nose flute. The players use a leaf or wad of tobacco to plug their non-playing nostril. That is gorgeous folk harp from Ecuador. Notch flutes from the Paracas people in Peru, 500 to 100 BCE. We were considering going to Bolivia, and they just changed the isolation back to 2 weeks. So much for Bolivia. Right now, anyhow. From the Quechua people in the Andes, a coiled trumpet in cow horn. It's played in pairs for cattle marking rituals. Multiple trumpets from an 18th century Bolivian mission. A female shaman ritual drum. We attended a shaman ceremony in Pakistan in '94 where the shaman cut off the head of a goat and then drink the blood from the head. Very, very lovely. I have a actual Papua New Guinea drum that we bought from the person who created it. I have 2 very old Burmese puppets. I will cut to the chase. We are in the Burma section. We're now in the Europe room. The Tsar, Humat the Tsar, and the church were banned in the 17th century. That fiddle is made from a wooden clog, often the right shoe. I was saying, what the heck is that? But it's a bagpipe. I really like the pipes. This is the fun room where you get to try all the different musical instruments. Just as I was about to bang out a little tune, they closed the gallery so they can sanitize it. We're getting in before the kids, before they monopolize all the drums. Yay, I want to beat out a little tune here.
Up to the shores of Tripoli.
How did I know he was going to do that? E-I-E-I-O, Old MacDonald. This is pretty loud. One note. Agonizing for people to listen to. This I can do. Let it go, let it go, let it go. That's how they made the music rolls. Hand cranked organ. Nickelodeons. This dance organ is over 25 feet long and weighs over 2 tons. Made in Antwerp. What's great is as soon as you step in front of any one of the screens, your little audio starts playing just for you. Nobody else can hear it. Rafael Mendez became the world's greatest trumpeter. The Olympic drama. Played in 2008 Summer Olympics. The Buddy Rich exhibit. Great drummer. Johnny Cash's stage suit. There are more than 6,800 instruments and objects of display, and it's one of the top 15 museums in the United States. Really, really nice gift shop. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
How cute. Your children are plays happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What do they want for that drum there? $500. Oh my goodness. A musical ruler. Now that's something you don't see every day.